Today's lesson is on solving algebra equations using addition and subtraction. Before we start this lesson, a quick reminder that the letter stands for a missing number, an unknown. How can we use addition and subtraction to solve equations? This is our question today. The chart shows that there are members of Congress and there are some members of the Senate, some members of the House of Representatives. In January, there were 83 total women in Congress. 69 of them came from the House. We don't know how many women came from the Senate, so we need to write an equation to solve this problem. Remember, an equation is a number sentence that uses an equal sign to show that two sides have the same value. So what addition equation could we write to find the total number of women that are serving in the Senate? Well, we know that when we add it to 69, we'll get 83. So we're going to use x as our variable, x as the unknown number. Now, to find the answer for x, what we need to do is we need to do the opposite. We want to try to get x all by itself. So we are going to do the opposite of adding 69. We will subtract 69. But the rule is that what we do to one side, we also have to do to the other side. Doing that will help us solve the problem. Okay, so we want to find this missing x. If we take 69 away, that leaves x all by itself. So we also have to take 69 away on this side. 83 minus 69 will give us our answer, which is 14. We took 69 away over here, 69 away over here, gave us a total of 14. Let's look at some practice problems. So our job is to, let's see if I can I won't be able to write on here, darn it. We're going to move over to this then. We want j to be by itself. So instead of adding 6, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to minus 6. What we do on that side, we have to do on this side. So plus 6 minus 6 cancels each other out. So we're left with j equals 15 minus 6, which is 9. Now if I put that in place of the j, 6 plus 9 does equal 15, just to check ourselves. Okay, we want to get k all by itself, so we're going to do the opposite to cancel this out. So instead of negative or minusing 40, we're going to add 40. What I do to this side, I also have to do to this side. That means this is canceled out, and I am left with k all by itself on this side. And if I add this up, I'll get 107. K equals 107. If I put that 107 in place of the k, 107 minus 40 does equal 67. Let's solve for b. We want b by itself, so we're going to do the opposite. What I do to that side, I have to do to this side. This has now canceled itself out, so I have b all by itself, and that equals, I'm going to do this in my head, 18, mental math. We want c by itself this time, so I'll do the opposite of this. So I'll add 68. I also have to do that to this side. Apologize for my messy handwriting. This now cancels each other out. I'm left with C equals 83. Let's find P. What is P? We're going to do the opposite. We always do the opposite. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Now because I'm limited for room here, I'm going to cross this off. I'll put it above. I'm going to do this in my head. 32 plus 49 should be 81. Moving on, we'll do a few more examples. Let's do a couple with bigger numbers. Let's have m by itself. To find m by itself, we'll do the opposite. The opposite of adding 320 is to subtract 320. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. This now is canceled out, and I'm left with m all by itself. When I subtract these, I get 238. We'll do one more with a bigger number, and then I'm gonna... Okay. There are times when your variable's on the other side. That doesn't change anything. We want to get m by itself, so we'll do the opposite. This now cancels itself out, so I'm left with m on this side. And if I do the work, I should get 507. You can try some of these. Try to get C by itself. Do the opposite. And that's the end of my examples for the day.